Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake.
Yes, you are a sneaky little snake. Well, guess what? We got something for that sneaky little snake. It's called Eve's Revenge Snake Snare. Now, this was invented by a local guy. It's a very, very easy kit to put out. We offer this to homeowners and pest control guys alike. The guy that actually invented this was part of a pest control group, so they have used this in the area to actually go out there, trap snakes, release them back into the wild. So now we're offering this to homeowners. We have them at both locations. So I'm going to show you a little bit about this kit. It's very, very simple to use. You can get some extra little stakes to go in the ground. Now this thing is actually designed to either go out on its own and you can put it up with some stakes, or you can put it around a fence where you believe snakes are coming through. So if you're living kind of on the backside of a bayou and you got a fence, it's very, very easy to put up. Now, how this thing actually operates is super, super simple. Get all this stuff out of my way. You have your actual netting right here. You have some stakes to actually put it down, and if you're going to put it along the fence, you have some zip ties to actually put it to the top and stretch it out. So what you do with this, it actually has this webbing material, and I'm going to kind of show you with my fingers. You have two types of webbing in here. You have a small webbing for the smaller snakes, and then you have a bigger webbing for the bigger snakes. So if it's a big snake, right around your thumb size, it gets in there and it coils around and it wraps itself up just like a snare. And then you have a smaller webbing in here for the smaller snakes. So you can actually catch several different types. Now, a lot of people go, oh, what do I do with the snake when it's over with? Well, a lot of people don't realize, hey, snake, it'll eat other poisonous snakes. It's a very, very good snake to have around. If you're still scared of it, you can release it back out into the wild very easily, unweave it out. Now, if it's a poisonous snake, again, like I say, you can leave it in this. You can let it coil up in there. Nature can take it. I know it sounds gross, but the ants, another animal, can come and eat that snake and it will be gone bye-bye and you just reset it up. But also too, we do sell a lot of, snake away and things like that. But folks, this is the actual best way to actually capture them and get rid of your snakes. So either location you can come in, come see us. We'll show you all about this. Thank y'all so much. If y'all have any questions, feel free to reach us at tubbshardware.com, our Facebook page, or you can go on our YouTube or anything like that and leave us a comment. Thank y'all so much.